AI is opening up a new era of creating value. But misunderstandings are leading many people astray, wasting time, losing trust, and missing out on opportunities. If you want to get it right, you need to be disciplined. Choose real problems, understand your users, then use AI to speed things up. Don't let it replace your own thinking. Chasing after quick tips, new tools, or ready-made templates only doubles your mistakes. You end up with empty content, wasted money, and lost motivation. Choose to learn the right way, so AI can multiply your value and help you make money in a lasting way. Many people think AI is some kind of magic that will make them rich overnight. The truth is, AI is just a tool. You need to clearly define your problem, gather relevant data, set up a feedback loop, and do small experiments to learn fast. Let your thinking lead the way. AI amplifies everything. If it's clear, it gets clearer. If it's messy, it gets messier. If we rely completely on AI, we'll end up with videos that all look the same. Only one person shines because they dare to be different, with their own unique style when creating content with AI's help. Copying comes at a cost. The difference lies in having a clear niche, your own voice, and specific results. The formula is, being different equals opportunity. You can use AI to follow trends, chatbots, voiceovers, videos, but successful people don't just chase trends, they build lasting value. AI will help you with these things. First, what AI tools actually create value? Second, what specific problem are you solving? Third, why is it needed? What are the measurable benefits like saving time or money? Fourth, what's the proof? Examples, data, real feedback. Your decisions and the deep value you provide will be your unique style. Inner peace guides outer technology. Think of AI as your partner. Here's how we use AI. Step 1. Ask AI good questions. Clearly state your goals, context, and any limits to get helpful answers. Step 2. Check the facts. Compare data, do small tests, and use your own good judgment as a filter. Step 3. Make it a product. Turn your results into a process, a template, or a service that can be repeated. Here's a formula to remember. AI combined with human intelligence equals sustainable growth. If you really want to make money with AI, start learning in a structured way. Understand the basics, practice a little every day, and take time to analyze and adjust. Remember, technology only makes your inner light shine brighter. Your value and wisdom are what truly matter. Are you ready? Subscribe to the channel and join our community to get practical lessons every week. Let's light up your journey together.